Hello and welcome to another clean-up episode of the Buxton Barrow. I'm not anticipating a big clean because my shoulder is doing all sorts of random things this week, but we'll see how far we can get. Also, Buxton seems to be a bit cleaner than usual, which is a good thing. Just want to point out, since they've redone the skate park, it has been considerably better. I don't know if that's because the council have ramped up cleaning here, but there does just seem less in general. It does seem to be done a lot better now. Also, it's got a sign that wasn't here before. Some interesting pictures to go with the safety. This is it from the entire park, which is good going. Usually, with the skate park, we'll get a full barrow on its own. So this is good to see. All them chopped up by the lawnmower. It's always sad to me that church still has litter in it. But I suppose that's what happens when you're next to a main road. Shouldn't be, but it does appear to be the case. Have added a fair bit of foliage from this corner bit here. The old Betfred has still not got a tenant, so no one's going to clean it up. The investment company that was doing it, their banners are ripped off on this side, but they have a banner on the other side. The door is open, and it's very tempting just to walk in. Completely gutted in there now. Crazy. there was a lady here, so I wasn't gonna go film her. But this is about halfway through cleaning this. I don't get why Iceland gets this bad. People just sit on this wall and just, I don't know, not have a care in the world, I suppose. It's overflowing, so it's bin time. Right, time to start Ashwood Dale. So far, looking cleaner than usual. Right, it's good to see. It seems like my clean-up in the back end of Morrison's here where it faces Ashwood has worked. Someone also seems to be cleaning this now. This is nowhere near as bad as it used to be. It's a very positive episode. Everything's changing, which is good. And the council are actually doing work in Ashwood, so I'll let them clean it up. Leaving me with not much else to do, actually. So as much as I'd like to keep doing a wheelbarrow worth for each video, I don't think I can. Which is a positive thing. This is good. Ooh, and making improvements. This is so much better. I'd rather this than the other way around. Well, there we go. 2 wheelbarrows, that's it. I might as well put this in the bin. I'll talk to you after. Right, that's pretty much it. I can't clean much else because Buxton's relatively clean today, which is a positive thing. It was great to talk to some of you who came up to me whilst I was doing this. Big thank you for you watching. A bigger thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi. And until next time, ta-ra.